Hey Gunpowder crew, we are at JP's garage, and Gunpowder had a few issues at Moab, so we're putting her under the knife just a little bit today. So let's get to it.
Cut it the other way. Come on. Come on. Oh. Found it. Yeah.
Jackie.
Yeah. It's horrible.
This episode of JP's garage,
Yep.
we are repairing something from Moab. What are we repairing?
Sway bar leak.
Sway bar leak.
We decided to let go in Moab,
Ah.
and we temporarily repaired it out there. Good. It's good.
It was a field fix.
Something like that.
Something field temporary.
Field fix at a shop in Moab.
Oh.
My buddy Kyle.
Cool.
Kyle was nice enough to let us use it. Hi.
Hi. You just can't go nowhere without the camera being in your face.
Hammer.
Hammer. Said hammer.
Said hammer. Bottom chest. Third drawer down.
I can count.
Hey.
I can count. Which kind of hammer?
Blue hammer.
Wampum. Or tappy rather.
Swing press.
That'll work.
See, this broke.
Oh.
That temporary little tack job was
Okay.
horrible with that welder. But that gets pressed into the bracket here, which
Oh.
that little lip is all that's holding that thing on.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And you took a direct hit to the sway bar in Moab, and that's what decided to separate your bracket here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a little thing like that.
Fun stuff. And right there.
Okay.
It's a little- And then we will get it flat, try to get the piece back in it, and weld it back in.
Okay.
Make fire.
Make fire. Yes. I like fire. Safety first.
Safety third, man.
Safety third.
Yeah.
That's true.
Depends. Really loud. Gravity is stealing the stuff.
Stupid gravity.
Yeah. Still loose. Yeah. It did move.
I think I felt it move when you did that.
Got tighter, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Punt the helmet. It's only good if you punt it.
Oh. Is that what they're used for?
I can't hear you. The light's too bright.
The street down by Wynn's white lights.
Yeah, this light's so bright I can't hear you. Which side is going to be easier to go this side? The Jeep leans that way right now. Bed's made of steel. I said the bed is made of steel. The light stuck to the bottom of it.
Oh.
Yeah, the bed's made. Yeah, this ought to be fun. It is. It's great. Everybody should try this one. I would help you if I thought I was in there. Which way do you need to go? Up, down, left? Up quite a bit. About 2 inches.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think we're going to make it there. The downside. I don't know if it's going to do it. So we'll take off this.
No. Stop it against the creek.
Yeah.
Is it working? Or?
It's going. It's just about a ½ inch more.
There's the bull bit now. I feel like I'm doing something.
You get it?
I think so.
Start.
Yep.
Here, Mr. Big Rat. Just work. Thank you.
Next visit, I'll have control arm skid pieces to put on.
Okay. Illogical. What are you talking about? Have Jeep will travel, duh.
Yeah, you better hurry. Put it together. This is probably going to be another trip somewhere.
Yeah. Mine ain't going to be hurrying and putting together. Not unless I get the, they got to release that kit still. Ain't moving.
Seems fixed to me.
No, good. Good.
Seems fixed to me.
Yep, no clangy.
Yeah.
Chitty chitty bang bang.
No chitty chitty. Just bang bang.
Get up and all you hear is